Hi everyone, it's Sarah Lynn with Crafts Direct, and I have another outdoor craft idea for you. It's that time of year when we want to be outside as much as we possibly can. So I made these little ice cube paints for my little one. All you need is some non-toxic paint, water, and freeze them for a bit. We had a lot of fun painting while playing outside. Watch this quick video and I'll show you how it's done. To make the little ice cube paints, I'm using these non-toxic, water-reducible kids paints. I chose neon colors so it'll be bright and summery. Measure out 1 teaspoon of the paint you're using, followed by 1 teaspoon of water. Mix well with a popsicle stick. Once the paint and the water are thoroughly mixed together, lay the little popsicle stick into the ice cube spot. That way you have a little handle to hold on to while painting. Repeat this step for each color of paint, mixing 1 teaspoon of paint to 1 teaspoon of water. Once your little paint ice cubes are all mixed up, place them in the freezer for a couple of hours. Now it's time to have some crafting fun in the sun. As you can see, my little toddler had a lot of fun with this. It's a great activity for toddlers and sensory play. And older kids are sure to love it too, and probably get a little bit more creative with them as well. I would recommend using a non-toxic paint like the ones I used, because if your toddler is anything like mine, he wanted to taste them as well. Thanks for watching this video, and have fun crafting in the sun.